Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Mkosi, in September this year, Wiseman Ncube tied a knot to a beautiful young lady. Of course, we congratulated them and others that were hurt. To good Wiseman, now we thought you were still in the market until now. But Mkosi, when screenshots of Wiseman Ncube, the wife, and this other woman went trending online. Allegedly, Batsebom Kosi, this lady texted Wiseman Ncube telling him that she is pregnant. Like Sana, we're expecting a different response from Wiseman Ncube, but he was like, why uchela mina po? Hi boo. The girl responded by saying that "Ngizotshela bani," because this is your responsibility, this is your child. And then Wiseman responded by saying that "Nginomfazi mina." So we are assuming that this pregnancy or their relationship began or started way before Wiseman married his wife, or the other girl was already a side chick when this one was the main. Ayibandla nje kuningi is pity pity. The screenshots went as further as now the child is born, and then the lady is requesting Wiseman to be part of the child's life, and further to state that Wiseman is more than welcome to come and have or take the baby for DNA testing if he does not believe that indeed that is his child. But then again, Wiseman is refusing to take accountability of this situation, and then he keeps on saying that Yena unomfazi, and the wife texted this lady demanding that she removes everything that she has been posting on social media. And Wiseman himself told this girl ukuthi will see ukuthi imedia izokhola bani wena nobody or mina. Hayibo, the Wiseman. This is shocking, but I have no words, because if that child is not his, why is he afraid of going for a DNA testing? And why is the wife? But anyways, I think it's because bashadile you ngolomfazi support umyeni wakhe. Hayi kuningi. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.